Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and granting location or nearby device permission. The scanner needs that to discover peripherals. Once done, open the updated Ble Scanner app and pick an appropriate scan mode. Active gives more data, passive saves power. Now tap Scan and watch the results populate with device names, MAC addresses, and RSSI values. You're already collecting raw adverts. Make sure to note any unfamiliar MACs, and pause the scan if you need to inspect a single device in detail. You now refine results. Apply filters by name, UUID, or manufacturer ID to focus on targets, and set an RSSI threshold like -70 dBm to ignore weak signals. Once you tap a device, the app shows advertisement packets and listed services and characteristics. That's how you learn what it offers. If it's connectable, choose Connect or Pair. If not, you still can read adverts. Make sure to understand connectable versus non-connectable states, so you don't attempt unsupported action. You finish by interacting with the peripheral, read or write characteristics, and enable notifications for real-time updates. After testing, stop the scan and export logs for analysis. Once done, you saved UUID filters or scripted service discovery to speed future sessions. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Toggle Bluetooth and restart the app. Make sure location and background permissions are allowed. If problems persist, reboot the phone. That clears many Bluetooth stack issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.